everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm diving into the exciting world of asset classes. If you're looking to grow your wealth, understanding different asset classes is key. So let's break it down. First up, we have stocks. Stocks represent ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you're buying a small piece of that company. If the company does well, your stock can increase in value, and you might get dividends too. But remember, stocks can be volatile. They can go up and down quickly, so it's important to do your research and stay informed. Next, let's talk bonds. Bonds are like IOUs. When you buy a bond, you're lending money to an entity, like a government or corporation. In return, they promise to pay you back with interest. Bonds are usually more stable than stocks, but they typically offer lower returns. They're a good option if you're looking for a steady income. Now, let's venture beyond stocks and bonds. Have you heard of real estate? Investing in real estate means buying property. It could be residential, commercial, or even land. Real estate can provide rental income and potential appreciation over time, but it requires a bigger initial investment and comes with its own set of risks and responsibilities. Another interesting asset class is commodities. These include things like gold, oil, and agricultural products. Commodities can be a good hedge against inflation, but they can also be quite volatile. And let's not forget about alternative investments. This can be anything from private equity to venture capital to even art and collectibles. These can offer high returns but are often less liquid and come with higher risks. So, which asset class is right for you? It really depends on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon. Diversifying your investments across different asset classes can help spread risk and improve potential returns. Remember, investing is a journey, not a sprint. Take your time, do your research, and consider speaking with a financial advisor to help guide you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more investing tips. Happy investing!